we are going to check what is read write no package state and the other one. So first we start with WNPS. So what is WNPS? We need to create a procedure to understand it. Create or replace package WNPS, that is write no package state, which means that if somebody tries to write anything to any variable, then it will give a error in compilation stage. Let's suppose we have a score with data type number and we create a procedure definition read score. This procedure can only read. We apply a Pragma restrict with this procedure read score the procedure name, and then we need to type this WNPS in this argument, and then we have to end this and run this. Now our package is created. Our motive is to actually understand the why we have added this WNPS. So let's suppose if somebody tries to create that package to define the package body and will try to edit the variable score. The person cannot do that because we have applied a restriction. To understand this, let's start creating the package body. Create or replace package body WNPS PKS. Then we need to define our procedure here. Read score is begin here. Let's suppose we try to assign a value of 14 to score, then we end this read score. The syntax is correct, though it will give us an error. So what error it will give? Let's see. The subprogram read score violates its associated pragma, which means that we told this package that apply a restriction on this procedure to write anything on variable. So write no package state. Any state that is available in package cannot be updated, cannot be reassigned. Now let's understand RNPS, read no package state. As we know that R means read means we cannot access the element. Okay, so let's create another package. Create or replace package RNPS PKS, and we say a score of data type number 10, and we initialize this with a value of 50. Then we create a procedure to update this score. This procedure can only update. To make this procedure for only updation, we apply a restrict reference to this procedure. Update score, we say RNPS. So a restriction is applied to the package update score, and then we end package created. Now let's create a package body to understand what error it will give. what exception it will handle. So create or replace package body, name of the package RNPS PK as procedure, update score is then begin, and because in this package we assigned a restriction as RNPS, which means people can update this but cannot read. So let's try to update and update score end. So which means that it is perfectly working, it is correctly working, no error it has given because a person tries to update it. And we applied a restriction of read. So let's suppose if a person tries to read, we update, we read, we apply any function that will help you to read a variable so that it will give us a error to understand what this Pragma is doing. Score. So we try to read this score as TBMS output and we run this. We can see that it is giving an error. So let's see what this error. Now the error says the subprogram update score violates its associated pragma, which means at the compilation stage it found that it is not following the proper syntax, it is not following the proper behavior that a user has defined in the package definition, and it can help you to overcome the issues of doing some other operations in some other areas. It increases the modularity of the code.